Welcome you all. In this video I am going to explain you how you can split the Adobe PDF file into number of multiple documents. Okay, so here in this as already I have opened the one PDF file. It's having total 155 pages. Okay, so I just want to take some of the pages from this because I don't want to take all the pages to be as a file. Now I want to take from here, as this is one question bank, from here to up to 138 pages number. As you can see that here it's from 127, so you can check that this is starting from 127 to 138. So I just want to make you one separate file on only on this particular title about the question bank. So just you have to go to the website where you can do it. You have to search this split PDF. For that the website name is ILOVEPDF. So here we can do the multiple operation here. Actually there are many operations, but I'm in this video I'm just covering how to split your PDF files. Okay, so here you have to select that file where you have chosen. So it is there in the like here folder name, then this one, then so select the file name which you are selecting. So here it is. Okay, now so you can just split into number of pages. Okay, so again, so this is the file. So here you have to select the pages from the page number. As I already told you, it is from 127. Okay, so you have to check the page number correctly to 127 to 138. Okay, then you can again just go for split PDF. Okay, it's uploading the file. So it's hardly take less than a minute to split the PDF. And you can do many multiple operation using ILOVEPDF, like merging the PDF, converting, like many purpose it can be used. So it's almost done now. Okay, so after splitting again you can download this in a PDF format. Okay, start download it. Okay, so download multiple files. Okay, you can allow next time it will be useful. So now open the file. So here it is. Yeah, as you can check that it's having 1 to 12 pages only related to the question bank. Okay, so this is a very simple way where you can split the PDF into multiple files. Okay, and thank you for watching this video. Please do support.